And this product is the carb zorba. Now the carb zorba is a renewable device. Unlike the carb balloon, this is a renewable device. Now it comes with a number of attachments, which I will show you later. But just basically, and I've shown this particular person on the treadmill, so these will be installed in gyms. Now this again is something that's been developed and devised. You see the CO2 to go label there. This has been devised by Australian scientists, and there's a magic internals in here. And these will actually absorb the carbon dioxide. And the way you use them is quite simple. Now there's also a timer. So if you say you're watching telly or whatever, you can actually set that timer to say 30 minutes or an hour. It reminds you to go and make a cup of tea, whatever you want, and just breathe normally. And all the time you're breathing, this magical device is absorbing the carbon dioxide. Now, as you can see here, you take this device to the carb center, to the reclaim center, and they will download the information. It's a chip in here. Now, we're also working on a USB connection, so you don't even have to go to the carb center. So this is all wonderful stuff. Now, I've also got here, there's a device here where if there's two of you can both watch the television at the same time and both breathe into the camera. The other thing too we've got here, you can actually set this up if you want to, because we're talking now, whatever oxygen is left, you can store that, maybe pop that in another room and have an oxygen room in your house as well. So there's all these sorts of things. So really, this is a favourite device because these are not renewable, this is renewable. So that's what I really suggest you do. So, what else do I have here? Now I've got sample packs here that you can look at, and that's all very fine. So what I'd like to do is maybe summarise now. So here we have the carb zorba and the carb balloons. Both, the proceeds of which can be taken to the carb reclaim centre. And there are three options there. The first option, you can take cash. Has to be a minimum amount, certainly. We're not going to be dealing in pennies and cents and things like that. The second option is to use flyby miles. If you're going somewhere, you can actually offset your carbon footprint with these fly miles. And the third thing is you can donate your carb credits to a charity, your favourite charity. So please bear that in mind. Now, by now you're probably wondering what is the cost. So I shall just show you. Just come and stand over here. So first of all, let's look at the carb balloons. There are 20 carb balloons you can purchase for $1.99, and there's a pack of 50 for $4.95. If you use these as per the instructions, what you will receive is $5.10 for every 50. Now, that's not a great deal of money, but this will depend on the actual cost of carbon at the time. And there's only one way that will go in itself, that's for sure. Now, if you have the deluxe version, there's $2.09 for 20, and it's $5.19 for 50. And because the deluxe version has lower carbon dioxide, you'll see that you get $5.35 from that. So that's the carb balloon. What about the carb zorba? Well, this is really the pièce de résistance. The carb zorba will cost you $49.95. $49.95. And it will return you $59 for every 100 hours that's been stored in the microchip. Now, understand first of all that it depends on how you use it. If you use it in the gym, there'll be a lot more carbon points in there. If you use it watching television, well, depending on what's on, of course, it'll be quite less. So there's your option, $59, and that's the carb zorba. Ladies and gentlemen, the personal emission scheme trader, which is what I am, is going to be out there regularly trying to sell you these items. I urge you, think of the planet, think of the income,